Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, straight like that, you see me? Hey guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? It's definitely Memorial Day, and it's Monday. What's today's date, Zab? The 29th. It's May 29th, and we're headed to the beach, guys. It's literally 4 o'clock, and we're headed to the beach. It is piping hot. It is piping hot, 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 hot. So we're about to head into the beach. We're already here. And yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the water for like 2 hours. I don't want to come to be here all day and yada yada yada. You know, we're not too far from home, so we're gonna just enjoy the beach for a little bit. So I'm about to take y'all with us to go to the beach. Let's go. I'm so excited. Hi. Guys, we're here. We're at the beach. Yay. No planning was involved. We were just like, I want to go to the beach. That's it. And we're here. So hold on while we get everybody out of the car and ready for the beach. See? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Going by tunnel on our valley. Hey, hey, hey. The view are coming at the new company. Oh.
but I rock it like a baby in a car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You are the type of person that they can't find twice. Remember.
And if a boy feel my joy, make him lick red like a tomato. If he not dead, then he call my doors. No, go bamboo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
Hey Gem Babes, I am just not feeling well. Like, I am in excruciating pain. So I'm just here. It is literally about 4 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, I'm at the hospital getting meds. My husband, it's actually 6 o'clock now. I got here at 4, and they're giving me my meds, and we're just gonna see how this goes. But your girl's not staying. We out of here. Yeah, we're not staying. We out of here. So this is actually my 3rd dose of my medication. And I do have a treatment plan. My doctors have checked on me. I don't know, guys. Your girl just not feeling it. But, God's gonna make a way. Because he always does. But we're gonna need to get this pain under control because it's gonna take me out. Nonetheless, guys, thank you so much in advance for the love, for the prayers, the well wishes. But I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go on home. So let's go home now. Right now. So we are home, and immediately I said I need to do something for self-care ASAP, and we have chosen to do this foot peel. My feet is disgusting. My feet don't look good. It don't feel good. I've been in and out of the hospital quite a while. I haven't gone to get a pedicure, and I like to actually do the foot peel before I go and do a pedicure. So let's do this. Normally, this is how I do it. This is my 2nd time ever doing a foot peel. It usually takes about 3 to 4 days to peel, and then once it peels, my feet is nice and smooth, and then we go and get our pedicure. So here's how it works. Don't look at my feet, don't look at my fingernails. Just don't. But this one here, this watermelon foot peel is the bomb.com. No cap. Bomb.com. You need to try it. I got this one from Target. I actually picked up a few a while back, and now I'm actually excited to use it. So let's go ahead and treat ourselves to a slight self-care.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Cover my face, calling me
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's your girl Gemma, and of course, if it's your first time here, welcome. Baby Lala's like, hi. It's your girl Gemma. I'm so grateful that you're here. Over here I do vlogs. We do weekly vlogs. We drop weekly vlogs. Okay, lifestyle, family, motherhood, all of the above, and of course motivation, because yeah, we're trying to get to the next level. We are going to get to the next level. You know, that's the ultimate goal. And to show the transition in life. You know, life throw balls at you and you just get hit with them. You know what I'm saying? And then just keep on going. But nonetheless, welcome. If you enjoy my content, please don't forget to like the vlog, and also subscribe and share with 2 of your friends. I highly appreciate that. Nonetheless, new weekly vlog. Welcome. Gems babe, you are officially a Gems babe. Let me not forget to tell you that. Guys, I am melting. I'm melting. Oh my god. Yeah. Hi. Lord have mercy. Hi. Just came around the corner to pick up the kids. Pick up Amari. Erica was so nice to pick him up for me today because I was running a little bit late. Know what I'm saying? So anyway, it's piping hot today. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. It is Monday, June 2nd, and of course, you need a ride? You sure you need a ride? Y'all look like y'all good. Y'all not baking.
He's not making because he doesn't have this long sleeve shirt on.
Alright, let me put that on the seatbelt because we're going to Wendy's.
My upper body is...
So anyway, guys, like I said, it is June 2nd. It is Friday, June 2nd. Guys, we are 6 months into the year. Okay? 6 months. 6. Also, to let that be an announcement that this is my birthday month. You already know what's up. My Cancer's in the building. Make sure I stand up. Stand strong. Stand tall. Shoulders lifted up. Well. Good up high. Parce que c'est saison cancerier. Autant des Amazons, it's Cancer season rapidly approaching. So, with that being said...
You have school on the birthday or no?
No, because the last day of school is June 12th. And my son... almost was a Cancer. I just had to close my legs for a little while longer, but your boy didn't want to stay up. You understand what I'm trying to say? He is June 18th, so he is also a June baby, but he is a Gemini. Nonetheless, we're going to enjoy it and love on each other and enjoy this month. We got a lot going on in this month. Nonetheless, today, my sister's in the hospital, so I'm going to go sit with my sister for a little bit. She's not feeling well. Yeah, so I thank God it's ruled out. It's not a blood clot, but they were ruling in blood clot. But right now she's getting a transfusion. She's getting 2 liters of transfusion, so hopefully she feels a lot better. Seems as if she's coming down with pneumonia. She had the strep throat. That didn't do so well with that. Anyway, I don't want to put out business like that, but you know what I'm saying? My sister's sick, but soon she'll be feeling better. Hopefully she can get home tomorrow. And this vlog, we're gonna have like a special something happening in this vlog. I cannot wait to share with you guys. But I know you guys hate when the air is on because it's so noisy, but it's super hot outside. So what are we gonna do? So today,
SpongeBob auditions are tomorrow.
Really? Did you want to do that? For where?
It's the sign up. was like, it's on Instagram.
For what's
I saw it on Instagram because I follow MYT.
Alright, hold on. So, I smell a burger. I think that's Burger King burger. I do feel like a Burger King burger off the grill, you know what I'm saying? With the chart on it. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go to the supermarket today. I'm gonna go order a cake. Special occasion. So, like I said, we have a special occasion. So, I need to go order a cake. I need to go pick up a few groceries for that. I do want to take my kids to see The Little Mermaid in this vlog. I'm hoping I can do that, but my sister's sick, so I'm not really feeling it, so it might not happen. Anyway, we're also preparing for Erica's graduation day, which they changed the time for. Anyway, yeah, I saw. They're so annoying. Well, you need to go to school on graduation day. You show up with your family, you leave with your family. Like, stop playing with me. These people and the way they do their things just drive me insane. But you know, change is good. I got it. But I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna go see my sister. I'm gonna go order a cake. I am going to find a Home Goods, Marshalls, one of the two, because I do need a sheet set and some curtains. So I'm gonna do that as well today. I'm gonna take y'all with me, of course. Nonetheless, you already know what's up. So guys, I made it to the hospital. I'm about to get on the elevator. I'm done with my mouth. Still going down. So guys, I made it to Sam's Club. I literally have 3% on my phone, so I will not be recording while we're inside the store. However, when we exit, I will let you know. We made it. Sam's Club, Mom Dukes. So, what had happened was, why am I back in the hospital again? Oh, yeah, so maybe I should start by saying that my sister is about 5 rooms down from me. Yeah, that's why I received, she was 5 rooms down from me. She left Saturday. I was admitted. She left on Monday. I was admitted on Sunday. I came back to the hospital for more meds because I was in excruciating pain. And they said, girl, your blood level is 4.3. My hemoglobin dropped like it was hot. And now this is where we are. My sister, on the other hand, also had pneumonia. That's why she was here. And so, it's just a mess. Big mess. But in the midst of it all, God is good. So like you guys saw the flower bumblebee just a while ago. So I ended up getting a delivery for same last name, but it was for my sister, but she had already left the hospital. So I was sending her a message about that. I'm not doing okay. I am going to be okay. I'm just gonna sit tight for the next couple of days, and we're gonna see where all this leads to, because baby, so guys, there she is. My mother-in-law is finally touched down with JetBlue from Okap, Haiti to USA, aka New York, JFK. Okay, she's finally here. 4 years later, she's finally here. And I'm gonna get myself up out of this hospital. So she came in yesterday. It is officially Saturday. I'm getting out of here. Eric's graduation is here. My mother-in-law came to pick me up. I'm super excited, as you can tell. God is good. God is amazing, and I cannot thank him. I can't thank him enough, because let me tell you, between worrying about her traveling and worrying about me not getting out of this hospital, these blood levels going up, I was stressed. But in the midst of it all, we are blessed. There she is. I'm so happy for my husband. It's been a long time overdue. But like I said, God's time is the best time. Get me the hell up out of this hospital. I'm ready to go home. I just want to be in my bed. I am not doing better, guys. I am still in pain. I will be on meds around the clock. But I know one thing, baby. I'm going to be in my bed. Thanks for all the prayers, because they definitely went up and blessings came down. Get me out of here, that car, please. Yeah, let's go. Right now. So guys, it has been 7 whole days in the hospital, and yeah, your girl's finally going home. I'm looking rough, don't worry about it, but as you guys can see, the cat is out the bag. My mom is here, guys. My mom, yes, guys, my mom is here, guys. My mom is here. Like, my mom, like, guys, I am so overjoyed. It's been a long time coming, guys. I know you remember in previous vlogs, you guys seen when I got the news. I just didn't tell you guys yet, and we're gonna do a sit down and talk about the whole process and how everything worked. But my mom is here. I just came out of the hospital today. She flew in yesterday, and now it's time for me to celebrate with my mom. Babe, are you excited?
I am excited as usual.
Oh my God, you're excited. Yeah. So there it is, guys. Go ahead, dance. Do it. Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Literally, it is Monday, June 12th. Look at my arm, guys. And we're getting ready for Erica's graduation day. Yay. She's graduating today, guys. Literally, just woke up. I went to bed extremely late, and we're in pain. We're in pain, but we're here. We're about to get dressed, so just wanted to give you guys an update, but your girl will be back. I'll be back. This is
positive energy, and she introduced her love of Olaf, which definitely rubbed off on all of us. Mr. J, I'll be honest, I hated poetry before your class. Now I really like the unique meaning of a poem. You love teaching what you teach, and you share that love for literature with us. I can say classes never told me. Miss Brands, I knew you in 6th grade, but in 7th grade, half of us had her as math teacher. Some of us had her again or met her as math teacher in 8th grade years. It will be sad to not see a familiar face. Mr. Barron, an 8th grader told me last year that you were scary. I learned very quickly that they were joking. Now for Mr. Samos and Miss Smart, wonderful teachers and guides who never fail to make us laugh. The rest of the staff here at Edison help make the journey as easy and fun as possible. Kerry Washington once said, "Your life is your adventure. Ahead of you is a journey to fulfill your own purpose and potential." You might not know what our purpose or potential is. I don't. None of us do. That's what makes it a journey. Not knowing what's ahead of us. We started our middle school journey in the middle of COVID-19. Some of us at Lincoln or Washington distance learning.
Tamina Akhtar. Erica Booth. Connor Boucher.
One great year that made up for everything. What do you think?
I made it to 8th grade.
I made it to 8th grade. What is this, mommy?
You don't like them?
They're cute.
So?
They're not embarrassing.
Why are they embarrassing?
I like that one. I like this one.
I know.
I
like this
That's my favorite one too. Oh, hi, beautiful. I'm good. How are you? I'm good. Thanks for singing for my daughter. You're welcome. Even though you guys were singing together. Johnny, no. Because after you said hum, you know the song. Will be nice to me. Will be nice to me.
What is in your own person?
You make it.
Give grandma.
Oh, those walking hard pay up. Right?
Go hug your grandma.
What's a good time?
Hey. Straight like that, yes, man. Here, I want you to give one to Sammy.
Walk it up, then go let him go.
Don't do it.
It's okay.
You tell me. Vai mais dinheiro? Gastar paiando.
Yeah, I got the sweaters on.
What?
Yeah.
Well,
That's the party, man. You see?
So what manger viande? What manger grilled encore?
Nah, no pork.
So guys, I'm tired. I'm like 2 hours past due from taking my meds. So I also forgot to say welcome back to the vlog. It is, I don't know what day this vlog it is. I don't know. I know it's Monday, June 12th. Yes, I do know that. I really don't remember where I left off with the vlog. I got sick. I was in the hospital. So I'll catch you guys up on that. Nonetheless, I shouldn't even be in the store. Literally, I shouldn't even be in the store. But mommy duty calls for mommy. Just get up and go. My husband's mad that I'm in the store. But you that mad, why you even get up and do it? Anyway, but we're here. Welcome back to another vlog, another day. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna get it together. We're gonna get it together. I got you, sis. We're gonna get it together. Promise. So like I was saying, the wind was blowing so heavily. I'm a little oily. So graduation is over. Erica's officially going to the 9th grade. So like I said, we're gonna do something at the house for her. We're just gonna grill and stuff, nothing too crazy. I wasn't gonna grill, I was gonna put everything in the oven, but my sister kind of wants to put some stuff on the grill, so we're just gonna do that. So I'm here. I want to pick up the bread for the burgers, hot dogs, shish kebabs, ribs, corn, and that's it. That's it. So nonetheless, that's what we're here doing. And then we're gonna get out of here real quick. And yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so I'm in the car and I'm going home, and I'm just sitting here driving. Between me and you guys, transparent moment, I'm exhausted. I don't know, I just feel so drained. And like I told you guys, I'm late for taking my meds. So as soon as I get home, I have to take my meds. I don't know if you guys can see my hand. Like, guys, the way they were, I can't even like close my hand into a good fist. Man, those IVs, man. They be tearing me up. All right here. You guys see, I'll show you guys. I be tearing me up. Anyway, so you know, Erica's graduation was today, and after graduation we were kind of like sprinting out because it started drizzling. And I know that I was like, everyone frantic because they were like, you have to go, you have to go, you have to get in the car, you cannot, you know, like, you cannot, literally cannot get wet in the rain. Like, you just came out the hospital, like, you can't get wet. I'm like, yo, I get it. I'm like, yo, I want to take a picture of my daughter. But she's there taking a picture with her friends, which is fine, because, you know, whatever makes her happy makes me happy, you know. And she gets in the car, she's like, Mom, I'm so sick of my friends playing smash or pass on you, and they all want to smash. And I'm like, do you know what smash means? She says, Mom, yes, Mom. I'm like, oh my God. My 13-year-old knows what smash means. Like, oh, I'm just like so sick into that. Like, come on, bro. These kids won't let my kid be a kid. They won't let my kid be great. They won't let my kid stay in a child's place. So, you know, like, I drop her off to the bus and I pick her up from the bus, and, you know, like, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna hype the fuck out of my kids. Like, my kids know I love them. My kids know I rock for them. Like, my kids know they're gorgeous, they're beautiful, handsome, cute. Like, she ate that. Like, and it's not like I just want to hype them up. That is it for them. Like, they are phenomenal. Like, they're my world. So me, one of her friends' moms, we're gonna go watch The Little Mermaid. She said, yeah, let's go watch The Little Mermaid. I was like, yeah, like, we'll watch it in the back and let them watch it in the front. Because you guys know I'm just so, you know, I don't think I'm there yet. I don't want to just drop my daughter off, you know. I don't want to just drop her. I don't want to just drop her off and go, you know. I need to be in like 5-minute radius of where she is. If she needs me, that I need to be there. So I'm not ready for all that drop off and go yet. Anyway, she wants to have like a little mall date. She wants to go to the mall with her friends, and then she wants to go to the movies with them periodically throughout the summer to hang out, to chill, which is fine, like, you know, which is fine. But the world that we live in makes it so scary to do that, because why am I honking my horn? Because our kids are being influenced in so many ways that, you know, I honestly just personally feel like mine, it's a no for me. Okay, it's a no for me. And when I mean it's a no for me, it's like, I want to be able to school them and let them know, like, okay, yes, there's nothing wrong with, you know, I want them to be reminded that they're just children. They don't have to make a decision yet. They don't need to make a decision. You know what I mean? They have feelings and emotions they don't even understand. They can't even control. You understand? So, me personally, it's a no for me. Like, I want my kids to stay in a kid's place. I want my kids to enjoy their youth. I don't want them to grow up before their time, even though, you know, we all know that we don't have control over that for the most part. But if you stay showing up, if you stay present, you can maintain control. Yes, you can. All right. So nonetheless, you guys, I'm home. We're gonna get this stuff on the grill, and I'm gonna put my feet up because my feet hurt. I'm aching. And all the above. Love you guys, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for all the love, the support from the hospital. My mother-in-law is here. I'm so happy, guys. I'm being blessed.
passé là, on va doula?
What fig market do
I
madam?
don't know, I'm just asking you. C'est pourquoi je
Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. What's up? Today is actually, that's my mom laughing in the background. Today's actually, what's today, Makari? Today's Wednesday, June 14th. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this in this week's vlog or next week's vlog, but anyway, yesterday I went to the ER again. They gave me meds or whatever, and I came home. I went in around like 12:30, and I got out about 5 o'clock, because my husband came to pick me up. So I got my first dose at 3 o'clock, and that was just like a nightmare. I had like 4 nurses try to stick me with IV, couldn't find no veins. So they wanted to transfuse me yesterday, and I was like, nah, we're not doing that. So anyway, I had a good friend of mine, family friend, who came and brought me some remedies. So I wanted to share it with you guys. So these, it says apple juices, but you know, I just, guys, I'm trying to make my son some eggs and I'm talking to you at the same time. So yeah, guys, so literally, this is beets, carrots, ginger, garlic, of course, because she's big on garlic, and she blends it together and it makes like a juice. I don't know if you can see, it's like a very thick juice, and I just drink 1 glass a day. Sometimes I'll drink 2. So I said I'm not doing a transfusion right now. I'm just gonna go home, knock out these. She brought me 3 of these bottles. She brought them on Monday to me because Monday was her day off. She knows I love her so much. That's my sister for life, okay? Sister for life. So yeah, like I was saying, it's 3 bottles. She brought me three big bottles like this. So they're in the fridge. I'm drinking a cup now as we speak. It's not nasty. It's not nasty, but I just prefer to drink it once. Like, I don't want to just like keep drinking it, tasting it, blah blah blah. Just drink it one time and done. So I didn't get transfusion yesterday. They've been blowing up my phone this morning. I might have to go back today and get meds. I'll see later on this afternoon if I really have to. But you know, this crisis is one that's really taking a toll on me. But I just wanted to check in with you guys because I didn't check in yesterday. Monday was Erica's graduation. We did that, and I know I don't look like what I'm going through, and you know, whoever's gonna be judgmental or whatever, that, you know, that doesn't bother me. It doesn't affect me or anything. I just know my body, and I just not, you know, I'm gonna tolerate what I can tolerate, and what I can't tolerate, I definitely have to go to the hospital, because you know, my kids need me, my husband needs me, my family needs me, and I love myself. So we're only gonna just really and truly take it a day at a time. I'm actually doing laundry now, so I'll put the clothes in the wash, and I'm gonna sit on the couch and I'll fold them. Who's that? You guys wrote on that wall again? Jesus Christ. That was not true? What grade you going to now? First grade! I'm so happy for you. That means you have to know 300 words. You ready? That's 300 words to be in first grade. You think you can do it? Yeah, he said he can do it. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. We do have a story time. I do have to talk to you guys, give you an update on my mother-in-law. She's actually here in the US. The cat is out the bag. I gave you guys a little snippet. She came and picked me up from the hospital, guys. Like, I told you guys I will show you. my you see, like my arm is shaking because I can't hold it out like that, and my hands of all the IVs, this hand as well. It's just crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Let me go feed my son. Hi. Qu'est-ce que tu me as cheveux? Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Oh, I don't even know what day I left off on, what day we started on, but we're gonna get it together. I'm here taking my dad to the doctor. He has an appointment. So we are here. I think you're supposed to open this one. Thank you. We're here. This is water. And we'll see you later. But come s'il vous plaît. Hi. So we have an appointment, a late one. And we're not late, we just have a late appointment. We're going to radiology. So we're here with my kid, old head. And yeah, I just wanted to say, hey, I'm here. So I think I have had absolutely nothing exciting going on this week besides my daughter's graduation and my mother-in-law coming to the US. Now we blessed, but we gonna see you in the next upload. We out. I'm gonna see you in the next upload.